Hi guys, welcome to my channel, deadbolt.
Hey guys, real quick, I'm gonna show you how to install this Keypad digital deadbolt on this door. This is the door that goes to my garage, and I didn't want to use this thing anymore because it's kind of busted and it's getting like worn out. It's time to change it, and so let's get started. Okay, so let's see what we have when we open this thing. It looks like we have some Amazon stuff. We have instructions. And this is French, and this is English. I don't think we're gonna use this because we already have a hole there set up. But we have a few things here. Oh, keys. Deadbolt right here. This is for the door, for the side of the door. Well, I kind of like this. I like the color of it. It has a rubber to make sure that it doesn't scratch your door. I am putting this in the garage, so I don't really care how this looks. It takes 4 AA batteries. So let's just put this together on the door. Alright guys, so I was able to install this thing. I really like it. One thing that I don't like is that I don't have a handle to open the door when I need to, but I was able to reset the master code that comes with the instructions. I highly suggest that you do that because it's a really easy access code that anybody can guess, and then somebody was gonna have access to your door. So pretty much it's self-explanatory. Just follow the instructions. I don't want to go through the instructions because it depends on what you want to do in something like this, but it is done, and let me show you how it works. Right, so it's open, then you go away. Now it's closed. If you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow. And I'll see you next time for the next video. So you have a good day.